What's up, everybody? This is Joshua Casper. Welcome to another super secret ninja class. Today we're going to learn how to delete those ghost folders, the ones that say cannot delete, item not found. So let's just say I have this folder here and I want to delete it, and I try to delete it, and instead of deleting I get an error that says cannot find the folder or something like that. But that's pretty crazy, right? Because I can see the folder, I can move the folder, I can even go inside the folder, but whenever I try to delete it, it says, hey, can't find that file, which is just so frustrating, especially when you like to have a clean desktop. Clearly I don't, but I did have a folder on there that I wanted to delete and I couldn't, so I had to do a little bit of digging and found out how to go ahead and delete it. So this is what I'm going to show you how to do. First thing you got to do is come into the command prompt. You do that by coming over to the Windows icon, right clicking, and go to command prompt, and we need to tell the command prompt where this ghost folder system is. So for me, it's on the desktop, so I'm going to go CD for change directory. I'm going to go /D for this directory, and then I'm going to write where the directory is. So it's going to be C:" blah, 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 blah. And we could write it all down, but what we could do is navigate to it inside of the Explorer and then just click inside of that title bar up there, and it gives us the nice, neat coded layout. Control-C to copy it, and that's a lot easier than writing it all. And then when you go back into the command prompt, you got to right click paste, because Control-C doesn't work the same way as you think it does. So that's the way you want to do it. Hit enter, and we can see now that this is where we're looking. Before we were just looking in C users Joshua, now we're looking at C users Joshua desktop. So that's perfect. Now we want to list the files and folders on the desktop inside of the command prompt so we can get the 8.3 file name, which is the short version of all of your file names, and it's just the one that works the best. Even if you have a super long like Gravity Stutter trailer project is really long, the system doesn't care about that. The system cares about the 8.3 file name. So we need to find it, and we're going to hit dir for directory and /x, which is going to list all of the files and folders on the desktop. And as we can see here, let's say I want to delete the tutorial stuff. So if I'm looking over here, these are the long file names. I found tutorial stuff, and then I look over here and I've got tutorial and this little, I forgot what that's called actually. Yeah, I honestly forget what that's called right now, but it's not really important. That little symbol 1. So what I'm going to do is rmdir, which means remove directory, and I'm going to go /Q/S, and then I'm going to type in the name. Now remember, we're going to type in the 8.3 short file name, so it's going to be TUTORI, that little symbol that I don't remember, 1. And if I hit enter right now, the tutorial stuff will be deleted. Now I don't want to delete that tutorial stuff, so I'm not going to do it, but if you have a folder system or one folder that says it cannot be found and you hit enter, it will be deleted for you, and then you've won the day, right? But anyway, that's how you delete the file directory. It's called the directory. It's really just folder system, but that's how you do it. That's how you get rid of it. That's what fixed my problem. And if you have any questions about stuff like this, just shoot me a message on Facebook or an email or whatever. You know how to get in touch with me. But that's how you do it. We'll see you next time. Peace.